agree to the terms in the bond?
Yes, I do.
If the money wasn't paid back, Antonio, you must get ready to die then. Do you have anything else to say before your death?
No, I am ready to die. Goodbye, my friend. Don't bring yourself to my death.
Oh, Antonio, I am sorry. You are a best friend in the world. Enough of this. Let us get on with it. I want my pound of his flesh.
Are you ready to cut off a pound of flesh?
I am ready.
The balance is here. Antonio is going to die.
But the bond says nothing about accusation.
Alright, the pound of flesh is yours. The law allows it. The court awards it.
You are a wise lawyer. You understand justice.
Just a minute. This bond doesn't give you a drop of blood. The word expressively specified a pound of flesh. If Antonio loses a drop of blood, you will break the law. Do you understand?
In that case, where is my money went? Here it is.
Not so fast. You have already refused the money. You shall have justice, but nothing else. You, Shylock, are a Jew according to the laws of Venice. If anyone who is not himself a citizen of Venice tries to take the life of a citizen, he has been put into debt, and his money and property must be shared equally between the state and the man he is trying to kill. The judge has to decide for your punishment.
In the spirit of mercy, I forgive you, Shylock. I will spare your life, but you have to give half of your money to Antonio and to the other half to the city of Venice. What else a money lender do if all his money is taken away from him? Take my life as well. What must we can offer him, Antonio?
Let him keep my share of money and wealth, and be merciful to others in future.
Are you contented, Shylock? Yes, I pray you. Please allow me to go. I am not well. Send me the papers, I will sign them. I have never seen such a clever lawyer in my life. Antonio, you should give a handsome reward to the young lawyer. The court is adjourned.
Please accept this money.
Give me this ring. I shall have nothing else.
My wedding ring? I'm so sorry. I have promised my wife that I would never take it off. I will buy the most expensive ring in Venice, but not this one. Please understand. Bassanio, give him the ring. I owe him my life. Just think what the lawyer has done for us today. Don't you think that is more valuable than the wedding ring? Please accept this ring as a token of our love and gratitude.
Thank you, Mr. Bassanio. God bless you.
My sweet lady, forgive me for which I have committed. I could not keep up your promise. I have given it away, the wedding ring, to the lawyer who have saved the life of my friend. I will never be able to make a promise to you again.
Bassanio, you have to be blamed for giving it away. My first gift to you. You should have felt the duty to keep it safely. Therefore, I shall never speak to you until I see that ring again.
It is my misfortune to have you the cause of this quarrel. I am sure Bassanio will never again break the promise to you.
Then take this ring and tell him to take better care of this than he did it before.
Bassanio, promise her to keep this ring always with you. Oh God, this is the very same ring which I gave to the lawyer in Venice.
Are you all awake?
Were you actually the lawyer? And I did not recognize it. Sweet Portia, you are the cleverest woman in Italy. You have saved my best friend's life. I too surprised to see you.
Antonio, you are most welcome. And I have a better news for you. 3 of your ships have arrived safely back in harbor, and your money is safe.
Praise the Lord.
Yes, the Lord is great. and compassion.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing His song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like
Antonio, Master Parthiv Surya. Bassanio, Master Vaishnav A. Manoj. Portia, Kumari Dixa Maria Panon.